And what I'm showing you is precisely how to get in the Google 3-pack every single time. Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to beat 100% of businesses on Google Maps. Very easy lesson, easy to understand. Watch this. All right, guys, so in case you're new here, my specialty is getting businesses right here in Google Maps. This is the most clicked area in Google for local searches. Now, if you're researching something, you're probably going to come to the organic. For example, today I'm using an example for moving companies. So if you want to learn something about moving companies, you're going to do some research, you'll do it right here. However, if you need a moving company, you're going to come right here to Google Maps in this section, right? So this video is going to show you how to do it. Now, you don't have to be a moving company. You could be a dentist or a plastic surgeon or a landscaper, right? But your interest is getting right here in Google Maps. I picked movers today because, I want to start showing you how important reviews are. You'll notice Swift Movers has 383, most reliable has 189, and Expedient Movers has 578, the amount of reviews. You are not going to get to the top of Google Maps by getting the most amount of reviews, right? So, as you see, 578, they're in third place. Nor, if you have a higher ranking, will you get to the top. It's really a combination of a lot of things. And let's speak about those three things, which I call the triangle method, right? It's the website. Do you have, the keyword movers, moving company on your website? In your case, maybe it's a landscaper or whatever company you're doing. Is your Google business profile set up correctly? Do you have the right Google business profile category? That is really important. I can't tell you how many movers have the wrong category, right? Because somebody else set it up or they didn't think it was important. They're getting 500 reviews and they have the wrong category. Okay? And then the third thing is reviews. If somebody says, for example, Swift Movers is, they're moving, they're a great company. So, for example, I leave a review and I say, great company to work with. That really does not do much for helping their ranking. Now, it does help if somebody goes to check their reviews and finds out that I had a good experience with Swift Movers. But no way does it help. I don't want to say that. It doesn't help as much with ranking, right? You really want to make sure that your clients use the proper keywords. So, for example, I have a house in St. Petersburg, Florida, and I was moving to Clearwater, Florida, by, the such and such bridge, and right, you want to use landmarks in that review, so Google knows, where exactly you are, and you want to use words like movers, moving company, moving, right? And you want Google to know the service that you used. Very important. So in the next portion of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you could do it yourself. It's very, very simple. Hey guys, please like and subscribe, because when you do that, my videos get out to more people looking to rank in Google Maps. Also, if you have a question, please put it in the comment section below, because it gives me ideas for my next video about Google Maps. Thank you. So you can't run an SEO Maps audit without first using a grid program, right? So some of the grid programs that I personally use are two of which I use are Local Falcon, and I'm getting into using Local Dominator, right? I'm going to have Eldar Cohen, the founder of Local Dominator, on the show pretty soon, right? So we're trying to get in Google Maps, but we're not only trying to get, get found in the area where you registered your Google business profile, we're trying to spread out like, like 10, 15, 20 miles. You want to be all the way out here, right in this big round circle. That's where you want to be, as far as Google will let you go. Now, there's something called geofencing that I believe Google denies, but it's a real thing. And the only way to figure out how far Google will let you rank is by running a grid program just like this. Local Falcon, Local Dominator. The links are in the description below if you'd like to use them. Now, I'm going to show you what to do and exactly what to do. I'm showing you what to do, and I'm showing you exactly what to do. Okay? All right, guys, so I want to show you how to rank in other areas besides just the 1 or 2 blocks where you registered your Google business profile, right? You registered your Google business profile, you drive 1 mile or 1 kilometer away and you can't be found. So here's the part where I'm going to show you how to get found right here in Google Maps. I'm from the US, so several miles away. It's just very, very simple. So this is why grid software is so important. What this software does is it shows you where you're ranking and where you're not ranking. As you can see, the red dots means that you're not located in Google Maps, right? The green dots mean you are located, but only in the locations where you're standing. So for example, if you're standing in this location where the number 2 is, you could be found in 2nd place in Google Maps. And if you move over here, if you do a search here for movers near me, you'll be found number 3 in Google Maps. However, if you come down here to the bottom right corner, right here in the corner, and you do a search, you will not be found. You're 20th plus, you could be anywhere from 20 to 100 in Google Maps, right? Okay, so how do we fill this area out? Okay, this is what you need to do. You need to, very simply, you need to go through your customer list and you need to send out emails or text messages to your clients letting them know that you need a review, and you need to include the review link in the text message or the text message or the email. I'm sorry, I can't think right now, right? You can't tell them to do a review. They don't know how to do it. You need to provide the link. In fact, right now, I'm going to show you how to provide a link to your customer for a Google review. Okay, guys, so very simply, you just need to log into your Google business profile. You do that by just going to business.google.com. And you could only see this section if the email address you used to create the Google business profile is the same one you're logging into, right? Okay, so you see this area right here where it says read reviews? You just click that right here. And then you see where it says get more reviews? You just click get more reviews and you copy this link. That's all. You copy this link. And this is one of the links that you could send to your clients to show them, to ask them for reviews. It's just really simple. Hey, Bob, you had a moving job done with us last week. Would you mind please giving us a review on our Google reviews? Here's the link. Just click the link, and they'll click the link. It'll go directly to the place where they need to review. Very simple. All right, so this is the part where I don't see anybody talking about how to rank in Google Maps in areas outside your area. What you need to do is you need to find customers that are in this red area. See this highlighted area, or these highlighted areas? You need to find customers in that area, and you need to send them a review link saying, hey, when you get back home, because it's important that they do the review while they're standing on this red dot or in this red area. Please send us a review, and in the review, please mention the service that you used, for example, moving and storage. Please include my company's name, Bob's Moving, and please use the mover that you dealt with, Bobby Smith, right? Hey, I dealt with Bobby Smith over at Bob's Moving. He was affordable and always on. He was on time, and he helped me with my moving and storage job. I had a place. I was next to the ABC bridge, and I needed to bring it to the XYZ bridge, right? Because if you could squeeze in some monuments as well, to let Google know exactly what area you're in, that helps. Or towns, names of towns inside the review. Just remember something, guys. You can't optimize every single review, right? Every single review cannot be optimized with person's name, location, and the keyword that you're trying to rank for. We used the example of a mover near me. I was looking for a mover near me in Clearwater, Florida, because I'm moving to St. Petersburg, Florida, next to the Gandhi Bridge, on the north side of the Gandhi Bridge, right? Something like that, right? So those are the types of reviews that will help you rank. I promise you, if you get reviews with people standing in this red area using the keyword that you're trying to rank, like mover near me, they have to say that in the review. I was looking for a mover near me and found Bob's Moving Company, right? Okay? And they have to be standing in this area. Guys, I have a service that does this automatically for you. I just need to have a 10 or 15 minute consultation with you, and I could set this whole thing up and you never have to think about it. However, if you're in a situation where you can't do that right now, this is how you do it by yourself, right? You see my email address on the screen. You see my text message on the screen. Shoot me over a text. Let me know if you're interested in that service. It's just for reviews. I'll be happy to help you. Guys, remember something. We're trying to expand the areas of coverage, right? Because we're trying to grow our company. Because we're trying to take care of our family. It's getting harder and harder out there to pay for gas, to pay for groceries, and to do everyday things. You can't do what you did last year. It's not working, right? If you're in the same place that you were last year, you need to do something to change. One of the great easy wins is reviews. Let's face it, if you're doing a search and somebody sees that you have 500 reviews and your competition has 50, you're the clear choice to get the call. Reviews, you know, the chicken and the egg, which one came first, right? What's more important, money or reviews? Like, there's still people in your industry that haven't even thought about reviews. Because you're watching this video, you're light years ahead of those people, right? So you have to get as many reviews as possible, and natural reviews from your clients, people in your area. They have to be people in your area, and or they need to mention cities and popular destinations in that area. There's a way to do it. Like I said, I'm happy to help you if it's something that you're interested in doing. If you want to do it yourself, this is how you do it. I have a drip method where it drips out, you know, text messages and emails to clients, so you don't get overwhelmed where you're getting 100 reviews in one day and you got 0, you know, next month, right? So I'm happy to help you with that if that's something that you're interested in doing. But let me get back to the most important thing, right? The most important thing is it's getting tough out there, guys. It's getting harder. It's getting harder for most people to pay their bills. And I'm not blaming anybody. I'm not a political guy. But, and you know what? It may be, and here's something that we don't think about often, or I never hear people talk about, right? There's more things to buy than there was in the 70s. Think about when you were growing up as a kid. What did you have? We had a telephone bill, an electric bill, and in New York we have a gas bill, right? Now you have Netflix, Hulu, YouTube Premium, a car lease, right? If you couldn't afford a car in the 70s, if you couldn't pay for the car, you didn't have a car. Now you could get a car lease. There was no credit cards, right? So now you have a credit card payment. So is the economy more expensive? Definitely, the economy is more expensive. But is there more things to buy? Is there more things to put on credit? Our parents didn't put stuff on credit. They put it on layaway. I remember my mother, starting in June, would put $10 a week on the pants that I needed for the pants and shirts I needed for the upcoming school year. She put it on layaway. She didn't put it on a card, and we took it home. We picked it up the day before school. Right? So now there's more things to buy. And the things that we're trying to buy are a lot more money. So if you want to stay ahead of the game, please don't put your head in the sand and think that, you're not sure what to do. It's Joe Biden's fault. The new president's going to come in and he's going to change everything. And believe me, if you had $100 in the bank now, when a new president comes in, if that happens, you're still going to have $100 in the bank if you don't change the way you do business. One of the quickest wins, the easiest ways to increase business is to get more reviews. It's that important. If that's something that you're interested in doing and you'd like me to do it, you see my number here. If you'd like to do it on your own, I showed you how to do it. And I wish you all the best. And until tomorrow, guys, have a great day and thank you. This video is dedicated to my brother, Darren Marion. Brother, I miss you and I love you.